Hi everyone, and today we are doing the flower challenge. Woo! Are you ready?
That's too much. You don't need that much. Do the same amount. Okay.
Okay, I'm having this much.
I'm having the same basically. My teaspoon's a bit small, so I can't fit that much.
So this makes your mouth go dry.
Yeah, it's meant to be really bad. Not really bad, but it's
Ready?
meant to be not that very nice. You ready?
Yeah. I'm good. Fuck off. You want to go? What you want? What are you saying? You trying to throw up? Oh, what are you on? Thank you for watching and goodbye.